guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 89. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, be sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 89. If you would like to see the previous 87, if you'd like to see the previous 88, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And as we mosey on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as always guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's open this up. And then here it says a very good bakery. Oh wow, that looks really lovely, and it looks very, very similar to some of the bakeries that we have here in Buenos Aires. That's a bit crazy, even with the curtains. Wow, that's a bit, that's crazy. The only difference is most of the bakeries don't have tables in them. I mean, some if they're like part of a restaurant, but most of them don't. It's like to take to like your house to have them. And here it says the grandparents, and it talks about how they would make dolls that would look like different members of the family. So even like they would make grandma and grandpa dolls. Here's one which you can see there. Here are some other ones. And speaking of Argentinian things, here it shows you how to make little yummy alfajores. Here alfajores are amazing. They're basically cookies with dulce de leche in the middle. But well, here it shows you how to make a clay version. If you haven't had an alfajor before, I highly recommend either finding a recipe and making it yourself, or finding some way to buy them so that you can try them, because they are amazing. Even a bad alfajor is a good alfajor in my opinion. But well guys, back to this, sorry. But well, as I always say with this collection, once we have unboxed this entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned for that. And guys, so make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it talks about early movie making. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the back of the magazine where it shows you the front of the house, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our new chest of drawers. It's really nice. It's like a milky cream color. And I'm going to show you that all of these drawers open. So the little one here, this little one as well. These big ones open too. There you can see the legs and the bottom there. I'm going to show you the side. And I don't know, I think this is one of the more solid furniture pieces in the house. And I really, really like it. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about the new addition to our dollhouse? I look forward to hearing from you guys. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.